Introducing the all-new 6th generation JMC Vigus. Under the hood lies the all-new MB25 2.5-liter turbo diesel engine, the first engine from JMC's all-new diesel power platform. Compared to the previous generation, this powertrain offers a significant performance boost with 123 kilowatts of maximum power and 430 Nm of peak torque. Even at 1,000 rounds per minute, the engine delivers 310 Nm, ensuring exceptional low-end response. It can continuously deliver over 380 Nm of torque within the 1,200 to 3,000 rounds per minute range. The all-new Vigus achieves 0 to 100 km per hour in just 14.7 seconds, even when fully loaded, making it a true workhorse. This engine pioneers China's first mirror-symmetrical integrated intake manifold X-mirror, optimizing airflow distribution for greater combustion efficiency. The Bosch CB4 high-pressure common rail system delivers 2,000 bar injection pressure, maximizing fuel atomization and efficiency. The dual thermostat cooling system maintains an optimal working temperature, achieving a class-leading 43.6% max thermal efficiency and a fuel consumption rate of just 7 liters per 100 kilometers. The HT300 cast iron engine block withstands 300 megapascals of pressure, and its piston system, sourced from Federal Mogul, ensures durability. The engine has undergone 48,000 hours of bench testing, equivalent to 5.76 million kilometers, including 1,202 hours of full throttle endurance testing, guaranteeing a B10 lifespan of 800,000 kilometers. For gasoline enthusiasts, the 2.0T gasoline engine MT20G from Dongwon Power is available, with 160 kilowatts of power and 350 Nm of torque. This compact yet powerful engine offers outstanding fuel efficiency, durability, and NVH refinement.